I'm just here in Village Grove today, patiently waiting, or maybe not so patiently waiting, for the new double vanity we ordered from Wayfair to be delivered, so I can sign to accept it and have it bring it into the house for me. Okay, moment of truth. The delivery team has now gotten the Wayfair vanity into the home, but we need to unbox it. See, is it the same quality as what we expected or not? So let's do an official unboxing together and see what we think. So let's take a closer look. First thing I checked out is how does the cultured marble top look? And it looks amazing. I think that this is gonna photograph really well. It's gonna wear really well over the years with our different tenants. I love the fact that it already came with the sinks. You can see it is a double vanity, nice storage underneath. It does have 2 drawers. And those drawers you can see have the soft close. Doors as well. Nice space. You can see underneath here, they've already cut out the opening that will be needed for the plumbing. Again, with the doors, nice soft close. From everything I can see here, there's no scuffs at all. Everything seems nice and tight the way I would want it. And I think it looks exactly like I was hoping for. So as you just saw, the quality is exactly what I expected. So for me, I call this a huge win. We were able to, for under $1,000, get a new vanity that we're going to be installing in our bathroom, including the countertop and the sink, delivered right to our investment property here in South Scottsdale. So I'm leaving right now some of this padding around it because our bathroom floors aren't done yet. And I want to make sure it's still padded for when our team is ready to move this vanity into our bathroom. So keep following along and you can see what it looks like once we add the faucets, mirrors, lighting, walls are painting, floor is done, and it's all tied together.